Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick vid. So in my last video involving the folder maker and file maker, I taught you guys how to run both our scripts using the command line by going up here and then type in cmd and then calling our script by typing python. We'll use the FileMaker.py. See, that is like this is pretty useful. You can still do it that way, but we're going to do something even more easier so then you don't have to keep doing that again. So we're going to make a script for our script. And instead of using Python, we're going to use Bash, which is most commonly used for Windows. I think Mac uses Bash, but I'm only going to do Windows for now. I'll do one for Macs in a future video. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to open Visual Studio Code. I mean, we can use Notepad, but I just like VS so much better. So what we're going to do, we're going to say folder maker dot bat, our bat file. Now what we're going to do, we're going to say at echo off. This is just so we don't get all of the echo commands coming at us. Okay. Now we're going to do our quotation lines. Now we need to run our Python executable. So what we do is we go to our Windows search here. Type Python. We'll look for the latest one we're using. So I'm using 3.11. Open file location. And now you'll see this. So then what do you do again? These are just shortcuts. Right click these shortcuts and then go to properties and then open file location. And then here's our file location. And then what you do is go up here, just copy this to Control C, Control V, and then slash, and then type python.exe. And after that, we put other quotes, and now we just need the file location of our script. So then I'm just gonna close all of this. I'm gonna let me just close this and open it again. There you go. Subjects. Just gonna copy this and Visual Studio. Here it is. And then we'll just call what we want to call. So I'll say we did folder maker.py, and then underneath that we'll type pause, and then we're just going to save that. So now if we go back to this folder, we got our bat file. So now if we click it, and then here we go. So how many folders do I want to make? I'm just going to make 2, accounting and geo. Press any key to continue, and that's it. That's all we had to do. Just a quick vid. So now you can just we can just copy this. Just do it in VS quickly. Copy and paste. So we'll copy this file here. So copy, click up here, paste. Then I'm just going to rename this to file maker. Yep. And then just up here, we're just going to change it. So instead of folder maker, we'll say file maker. Yeah, and save that. and then we go back here, and then we got our FileMaker.bat. So then I'm just going to make a quick PowerPoint. So then here's our script. How many files you want to make? One. Module code, we'll say AC. It is an ICE task 2 and 1 for PowerPoint. Press any key to continue, and there you go. That's it. So now you don't have to go up here, backspace, press CMD, and then try and run the script by typing it. So yeah, just a quick little video I wanted to make. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.